Hi, very good morning to everyone. Yesterday we have covered just a basic part about the JCL. What are the uses of the JCL and where we are using just the job card parameters. We have nearly the 12 job card parameters in JCL. It is very important, like in terms of interview point of view, or as and knowledge purpose as well. Okay, yeah. First, you see the accounting information parameter. This accounting information basically we are using for the billing purpose. If you submit any job in real time, when you submit any job in real time, in real time, what will happen? It is going to take some CPU time. Okay, based on that CPU time, there will be some amount involved in it. Based on the CPU time, there will be some amount involved in it. Where this amount will has to go will be decided by this accounting information parameter. And the second one is the username. Basically, by username only we can able to know who has written the JCL. Okay, that's simple. There's a notify. The third parameter is a notify parameter. Uh, if you submit any job in real time, okay, then to which user ID the job has to notify. Suppose if you submit any job, whether it is a successful or whether it is a fake, or a successful or unsuccessful completion, like it will has to notify to the user who has submit the job. It will do, like if it is a successful means max is 0 or max is 4. It is unsuccessful completion means greater than 4, max is greater than 4, maximum condition code. Yeah, next then the next parameter is the class parameter, the important parameter in job cards. By using the class parameter only, we are assigning priorities to the job. Suppose you submit any 10 or 20 or 30 jobs. Suppose you submit 10 jobs at the same time. The class parameter has a right to prioritize, like which job has to run first and which job has to run second, and so on will be decided by the class parameter only. Basically, we don't do any setup here, but the MVS admin team only set by this parameter. And priority, the next parameter is the priority. See, when we have the multiple jobs with the same class parameter, when we have multiple jobs with the same class parameter, then priority comes into the picture. See, suppose priority 15 is the highest priority and priority 0 is the lowest priority. We have the limits from priority from 0 to 15. Okay, if you submit 3 jobs at a time with class X for the 3 jobs, with the priority for the first job is 7, for the second job is 6, for the third job is 9. You see, here we are submitting the 3 jobs with the same class parameter. Then what this priority parameter will do means, you see, the jobs are executed. Job 3 has the priority as a 9. Job 1 has the priority as a 7. Job 2 has the priority as a 6. The execution sequence will be job 3 is first will execute, and job 1 will execute second, and job 3 will execute at in the sequence, the third. So what if the class parameter and priority both the parameters same for all the jobs. This is also one interview question. What if the class parameter and the priority parameter will have same for all the jobs? Then the system will consider the job ID. Now the job ID will be considered. Based on the job ID, will go the sequence like that. And the next parameter is the message class. Okay, basically the message class parameter we are using for the sending. We are routing the job message and statements to the output devices. Here in mainframe, we have the output devices like a spool, like the schedulers or printers. Suppose it's a SAR tool, like that. And then the next job card parameter is a message level. This is also the listing. This is we are using for the listing the messages and statements in the spool. Like basically we are using the message level 1,1. For what? It is going to generate the maximum listing of the statements and messages. And the another one, the time parameter. The time parameter is very important. Another important parameter in the job card. It is basically the CPU time we are giving to the job. It tells that how much time the job has to run in the execution queue. Okay, basically we are giving the time is equal to no limit in real time environment, and it won't take much time, right? If you have a small job in mainframe, it won't take much time to process. So when it is exceeds, when time limit exceeds, we get the S322 events, like it is saying that CPU timeout error. Okay, and the region is also a space related parameter. We are using to allocate some space for to run the entire job in mainframe. We are giving as a region is equal to 0k or 0m. And the another important parameter is the restart parameter. If you have any events, means it is this parameter is very useful. Like we are restarting the job from the particular step. By using this parameter only, we can able to restart our particular job steps by mentioning the step name. Like for suppose syntax, you can take restart is equal to step name usually, but the procs restart parameter will be like job step name and proc step name you need to be provided. And yeah, the another parameter is the type run parameter here. This will be it is also used for the JCL syntax error checking before submitting the jobs. There are three types of type run parameter here. The type run is equal to scan and hold and copy. It will do the same thing. The type run is equal to scan and hold, both will do the same thing. It checks the syntax errors without the job execution. Like if there are any syntax errors, they are notified in the spool. If you give type run is equal to scan, there are any syntax errors, there will be they are notified in the spool. If you give type run is equal to hold, it is also check the same thing, the syntax errors. If there are any syntax errors, they are notified in the spool. If there are no syntax error, means the job will be placed in hold state, and the hold state also is released by the admin team only, MVS admin team. Okay, the another parameter type run is equal to copy. This is a default option. Like the entire JCL will be copied to the just JCL because of this option. The last parameter is the condition parameter. See here, the condition parameter will work as a reverse order. Like our condition is true, then the step will be bypassed, and if the condition is a false, then the step will be executed. Like it works as a reverse order. Basically, by using this parameter, we can bypass a particular step in the job, or we can execute a particular step in the job. We can code at both levels, at job level and step level as well. But in real time maximum, we are using at step level is more popular, and then the job level. We have the different types in condition parameter, like condition is equal to even is there, condition is equal to only is there, and the other is the parameter. The syntax will be the condition is equal to return code, operators, and step name. Like if condition is equal to only, if you give the condition is equal to only, the step will be executed if any of the previous steps are abandoned. Whereas if you give the condition is equal to even, it is not like that. A condition is equal to only. The step only executed independent of the other steps. Whereas in condition is equal to only, what will happen? The step only executed if any of the previous steps are abandoned. That will be coded only once in a job. This condition is equal to even, we can code this multiple times in our job. Yeah guys, this is for today.